Parashat Balak. As the children of Israel continue on their journey to Canaan, the king of Moab, Balak, sees and fears that they might be taken over as were the Amorites. For gain's sake, he attempts to bribe a prophet, Balaam, with gifts of divination and a seat of honor to curse the house of Israel. Afterwards that night, Yahweh came to Balaam and said, "If the men have come to call you, rise up and go with them. But only the word which I speak to you, that you shall do." Balaam rose up in the morning and saddled his donkey, and went with the princes of Moab. Yahweh's anger burned because he went. How could it be that if he was given permission just the night before, now Yahweh is suddenly angry with him for going? Yahweh saw some form of insincerity or ambition in Balaam's heart that needed to be checked. Even though Balaam's lips said he will do only as he was instructed to do so, perhaps another side of him was aroused by the possibility of a seat of honor and lost sight of what he was going there for. Though our lips and our actions may express one way, Yahweh is always reading the intent of the heart. He knows us so well that he even reprimands us on things he knows we will do before we have acted on it, much like a parent who can foresee the actions of their child. Out of obedience to Yahweh and the realization that they were a holy and blessed people, he spoke no evil towards them. Balak then brings Balaam to two different high places to see if he could accuse and find evil in the camp. "Behold, I have received a command to bless. He has blessed, and I cannot reverse it. He has not seen iniquity in Jacob, neither has he seen perverseness in Israel." How could this be when for the last 40 years they were in disobedience and bitterness towards Yahweh and Moses? Yahweh gives Balaam a vision to see, as mentioned, the fourth part of Israel. There are several scriptures that mention the third and the fourth generation of Israel being the last one to come. In the last days, as also prophesied by Isaiah the prophet, he will return a second time the children of Israel from the land of Egypt, Assyria, Cush, and more, known spiritually as all the places in which we have been scattered. He will cause us once more to cross over through the land of Edom and Moab, as in the time of Balak and Balaam. During and before this time, the people of Edom and Moab continue to scorn the children of Israel. But these lands will soon be a protection for the 144,000 elect. Yahweh will also rejuvenate the wilderness of Edom and Moab. He will turn this same barren land into a place flowing with many rivers. This testimony also shows Yah's unfailing commitment to keep his covenant with Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the preservation of a righteous and blessed seed. Despite the current generation at that time, which was clearly reprobate, he still gave mercy to all those standing there, that they would not be cursed and that a blessed seed would come through, which was, of course, Yahweh Yehoshua. We see through the Bible that gifts of blessings were a part of our custom and a part of our lifestyle. The tongue is a powerful weapon that can either speak life or death. My family and I have made an effort to speak blessings to one another, whether it be that Yah grants them a spirit of courage, betters their understanding in his word, or whatever is seen fit in proportion to the character or the spiritual refinement that is needed for that individual, in hopes that the recipient of that blessing may be encouraged to walk in accordance and be blessed. The act of blessing one another also aids in the bond that we should have from brother to sister, parent to child, teacher to student, and so forth. To have a moment to recognize the growth that one has had in their relationship with Yahweh Yehoshua, in their relationship with the brethren around, and also a way of encouragement to keep striving through this narrow path. In addition to the tailored blessings we should have for one another, I would also like to share a traditional Hebrew blessing that is usually spoken to the children at the Shabbat table, but we even as adults should and can approach Yehoshua as children too. It goes like this. Yivarecha Yahweh wa yishmarecha. Ya'er Yahweh panau alecha vichunecha. Yisa Yahweh panau alecha wa yasem lecha shalom. May Yahweh bless you and keep you. May Yahweh cause his spirit to shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May Yahweh turn his spirit unto you and grant you peace.